Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Affairs Minister Demeka Mekonnen has inaugurated a state-of-the-art training center built by the Ethiopian Standards Agency. The training center, lying on 1,880 square meters, is built at a cost of 450 million birr. Daniel Kazan has more.
The center, that accommodates 16 classrooms and 40 bedrooms, is expected to provide training with a view to create efficient services in the field of standardization. The academy will conduct research activities for East African countries and provide support to various higher education institutions beyond providing training. During the occasion, the Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Affairs Minister stressed the need to build competence economy with the support of quality standard systems and sectors that require the application of simple and complex technologies. In this regard, he added the newly inaugurated Standard Academy, which is the first of its kind, would contribute to enhance quality standards of Ethiopian products.
It is really crystal clear that the Academy would have unparalleled significance to move forward cooperation to a higher level. The relation to the Academy and the historic ties had received with the exchange of high-level visitors over the last few years, the flourishing bilateral trade and investment ties, and the growing people-to-people contacts.
Trade and Industry Minister Malakwala Bello on his part underscored the need to have efficient training and communicate with the standards in the international market. The center will help Ethiopia be competitive in the retail industry and benefit African countries in the field of standard and quality, he pointed out. Noting that the development of countries depends on the proximity to technology and education manpower, the minister said standards have become more significant than the global language of communication. Additional academy is being built at a cost of 1.9 billion birr and 50 million USD has been provided for human resource development, according to him.
And finally, a team of more than 40 prominent business persons has visited mega projects being undertaken in Addis Ababa. During the visit, members of the team were provided with a briefing about the progress of the projects and how they are important to build the capacity of the country and in creating employment opportunities. The visit, which was organized by the Office of the Prime Minister Press Secretariat, would encourage the business persons to fulfill their responsibilities in attracting more investment. Among the projects visited by members of the team include the renovation of Addis Ababa City Government building, as well as Adwa 0 Kilometer, Mescal Square, and Bole Airport expansion projects. And finally, a quick reminder of the top stories. Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed stresses on the need to scale up the country's agriculture system. And Deputy Prime Minister Demeka Mekonnen inaugurates a state-of-the-art training center. That's all the news there is for now.